What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here. Today I've got a quick but powerful 10-minute at-home bicep workout that you can do with just a pair of dumbbells or even household items if you don't have any weights. Here's how it works. We'll go 45 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest between each exercise. It's going to keep your muscles under tension while still giving you a short breather to reset. The total workout is only 10 minutes, so it's perfect if you're short on time but still want to build strength and sculpt your arms. With that being said, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Jess Nichole and my fitness page at Just Right Fitness. If you're interested in any one-on-one coaching, make sure you check the link down below, justrightcoaching.com, to sign up for my online coaching program. And without further ado, go ahead and grab your water. Let's get set up and let's fire up those biceps. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready. Let's get into it.
Touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of me.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And how I wanna build my whole world with you and no one ever. And how it will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, I'll take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of bounds. Say that I should give you up, 'cause I want better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I got love and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I got love and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster.